name is Wildwood Waterways, but you can call me Wildwood. I'm the ultimate bird watcher. Yikes, this place is pretty scary. I never asked to be here. Why are you making us go through all of it? Whoa, you might need to relax with that a little bit. ¿Tienes que estar hablando en serio? Qué difícil es esto. Whoa, wait, we're gonna kill each other? Why? This is ridiculous, you know. Hey, you can't be making us do this, you pendejo. So, hold on a sec. Does that mean we have to do class trials or something? Oh, trials or whatever. It doesn't matter, but you get the point. The thought of just finding a dead body is really making me anxious and nauseous, you know. This isn't like, that's gross. Hey, bird watching is actually good, thank you very much. Hey, hardware? Is it fine if I, stay with you for a while? I don't really feel safe. Thank you.